Hey there, welcome back to Genius Junkie. Today, I'll show you how to create a powerful pitch deck using Canva. Whether you're preparing to pitch your startup to investors or presenting a new idea to clients, a well-designed pitch deck is crucial. Canva's easy-to-use tools make the process super simple. Let's get started. Start with a template. First, head over to canva.com and log in. Once you're on the dashboard, type Pitch Deck in the search bar. Canva has a variety of professionally designed templates you can choose from. Select one that fits your brand or style, but remember that each template is fully customizable, so you can tweak it later to suit your specific needs. Once you've picked a template, click on it to start designing. Customize the content. Once you've got the structure in place, it's time to add your content. Canva allows you to easily edit text and images. Update each slide with your own copy. Keep it short and focused. Remember, investors and clients prefer a concise and to-the-point presentation. Use bullet points, headlines, and minimal text to make your message clear. Replace the placeholder images with high-quality visuals or upload your own to match your brand style. Add charts and graphs. Numbers matter in a pitch. Use Canva's built-in chart and graph tools to visually represent key data like your market analysis, revenue projections, or customer growth. Go to the Elements tab and search for charts or graphs. Then just input your data to create visual aids that will help support your business case. This makes your pitch more compelling and easier for your audience to digest. Polish the design. Let's polish your design. Make sure all your fonts are consistent, your colors match your branding, and your images and text are properly aligned. Canva also offers preset color palettes and font combinations, so use these tools to ensure your presentation looks professional and cohesive. Don't forget to include your company logo and contact details on the final slide. Download and share. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download and share your pitch deck. Click on the Share button, select Download, and choose PDF or PowerPoint format for a polished presentation. Canva also allows you to share it directly online or present it right from the platform, so you've got options depending on your needs. And there you have it, a professional pitch deck designed entirely in Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more Canva tips and design tricks. Good luck with your pitch, and I'll see you in the next video.